Hello friends, Hastane Jobs YouTube channel Norajotan Lamsogo fighting kisantini IIFL Samasto Microfinance Great Place to Work Company Bishinte Katal Job ni notification alenai or post tilanjaknai Customer Relationship Officer Working Interview Bishinte natalanjaknai in future branch manager post manan chance tongo oro pani kasang o post ni bagai qualification as limited salary details te interview ni date ni details no nalainai Qualification rijak tango high secondary pass te graduation khaijak nangnai as limit ke 18 to 30 years fresher te experienced candidate or working interview rimano salary minimum 10,000 maximum 16,000 rijak nai working interview ni date rijak tango 28 May 2024 तारिख के बेनो rijak tango oro Bulabasa Moddapara Koilashor o address thangkai nara working interview marinai contact number rijak tango oro contact number call khaina job ni full details no sengina dinarok 29 May 2024 तारिख के वार्ड नंबर 11 Noyapara College Road Dormonagar o place no working interview rijaknai te contact number jak tongo tolao nora o contact number call khaino job ni full details na sengui thangdi company bisinte faster career growth tongnai te stay of ship facility tongnai sathani internet ব্যবস্থা rijaknai oro fuel allowance ni provide rijaknai company ni bisinte inke friends no nogu mankana IIFL samasto microfinance company ni bisingte ketal job ni notification o mahai ketal job ni notification aina bagai Hastane Jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlaina support khaide te nero ketal job ni notification nugui mannai।